This video is a guide on how to play PS5 controller on your Android. So, in order to play eFootball with your PS5 controller on your Android, is that of course you will need a controller or PS5 controller. And then you will first press and hold the PS button plus create button at the same time on your PS5 controller in pairing mode. Well, if the light bar will start flashing, this means that it is in pairing mode. So in your Android, you need to go to your settings, which is right here. Then you'll go to Bluetooth, which is the connection part right here. Go to wireless controller, then tap it to pair. After that is now you're basically half through. You can now open the eFootball app or whatever you want to play. The controller should auto connect. You'll see the game respond right away with no extra setup needed. Also, you can go customize it. This step is an optional. You can go customize it. Go to settings, then controller settings to remap buttons or adjust sensitivity. And that is all.